Guys, I'm really excited about today's video because I've got two Apple Watch Ultras to unbox, and this is the most excited I have been for an Apple Watch, I think, ever. Let's be honest, the design hasn't changed all that much. This is the first time that we get something new and exciting and interesting, and I can't wait to get into it. So make sure you're subscribed, leave a like down below, and let's get started. Today's video is sponsored by MacPaw. You all know I'm a big fan of MacPaw, the company behind apps like Clean My Mac. Well, they're actively developing the cybersecurity direction at MacPaw, and this year they're among the sponsors of the Jamf Nation User Conference that is the largest gathering of Apple admins in the world. If you'd love to get a free virtual ticket to the event, check out the link in the description below, leave your email, and get the opportunity to be selected for one of 100 free passes. The results will be drawn on September 25th, so you better hurry up. And now let's get back to the video. Okay, folks, it's time to get into these Apple Watch Ultras. So let's start with the box on the right here. I have intentionally avoided any and all Apple Watch Ultra content because I wanted to experience these things for the first time with you guys on camera. And oh, I'm liking this packaging. Here's the other one. Look at that. Now, in all honesty, I did get two Apple Watch Ultras with the same band but different colors because I think that the Alpine Loop is the only actually decent looking band, and even then I'm probably still gonna change it. But let's start with orange, all right? I'm liking this very festive looking outdoorsy packaging here. Ooh, we got a big booklet. Yo, okay, wait, this is actually kind of sick. This feels like the appropriate sort of documentation for an $800 freaking watch. And we've got like this cool little flap here, and that's where the regulatory card is. And then we've got the watch itself and the Alpine Loop band. Ooh, once again, cool envelope here. Very nice presentation. I'm a big watch guy. You know, I've been on the 44mm Series 5 since 2019. I'm a little scared about the size of this boy. Oh, that's big. Oh no, this might be too big, folks. I'm pretty sure this is the same size as the original iPhone. Oh, you know what? I do want to try something. Can I use the same watch band from a Series 5 44mm? Okay, actually, yeah, that fits pretty well. So it doesn't quite go over the entire contour of the watch, but it fits well enough that it doesn't look out of place. I'm actually genuinely very pleased with that because, to be quite frank with you guys, I think all of the bands are ugly. Okay, first impressions on the Alpine Loop. I don't like this. This band feels like something that you would get on Amazon for $9.99. It does not feel good. I do want to see if the green Alpine Loop looks any better. Apple Watch unboxing number 2, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Look at that. All of this is very unusual to me. I've never seen this before 5 minutes ago. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna say it. Green is the better color for this band, absolutely. This definitely looks better. I just think that this is a better shade. It kind of reminds me of the iPhone 11 Pro green. Like, I kind of like it. So let's take a look here at the charger. Okay, look at this nice paper packaging, and ooh, a braided charger cable. I gotta say, Apple gets a 10 out of 10 for their packaging on this. It's beautiful. Bro, this screen is so big. This feels like illegal. So here we go through the safety menu. We have a siren, of course, on the Ultra, and of course, crash detection. You guys know I'm gonna be testing that, right? You know I'm gonna test crash detection, right? Get subscribed. Trust me on that. Okay, so now we get to choose what the action button does. I think for now I'm gonna start it with a stopwatch because I think that's something I use decently often. Oh, it's getting louder. Ooh. That's pretty loud. So here we have my old Series 5 44mm, the Apple Watch Ultra, and here's a Series 7 titanium with the Hermes Orange Sport Band. So the big thing to me that makes the Apple Watch Ultra so interesting is that it sort of takes the place of the old Series 7 titanium. But the Series 7 45mm titanium cost $50 more than what is now the Apple Watch Ultra. So what I think makes this so interesting is that Apple basically said, okay, look, we tried to go the route of luxury. Luxury, high-end, expensive materials. They didn't really sell that well. Remember, initially Apple had a gold Apple Watch, and then they did that ceramic coating, and then they went to titanium, and now they said, okay, well, maybe rather than trying to sell you a normal Apple Watch dressed up in some fancy clothes, we'll sell you a big, chunky, wacky boy with an actual purpose and additional functionality. And I think that was a really smart move, because I think this is a much more compelling purchase than getting a Series 7 titanium. My money would definitely go to the Apple Watch Ultra. That's why I haven't bought an Apple Watch since the Series 5 came out, because I wasn't really compelled to upgrade until we got something like this, which is interesting and different and looks different, maybe a little bit not to everyone's taste, but I kind of like it. It's growing on me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is the Apple Watch Ultra ugly? Is it worth $800? I'm personally leaning towards yes, just from the feature set and what it replaces, which is an objectively bad deal in the form of the Series 7 titanium. It is big though. My God, it's big. If you have small wrist, you're gonna look ridiculous. Come here, come try this. Okay, this is my girlfriend. Say hi.
Hi.
Is this even gonna fit? Okay. Oh yeah.
Like Ben 10.
No, that looks so. Look at how big it looks. No. Okay, yeah. So that's a real world test there. If you have small wrists, this is not the watch for you. I'll tell you what though, I can't wait to use this watch because it's something new and exciting and different. And I personally, I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.